हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम लोग सीखेंगे अल्फ़ाबेट A to Z with color name. Biscuit color, brown color, purple color, orange color, yellow color, dark green color, light green color, pink color, grey color, sky blue color, blue color, black color, and white color. Let's learn A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's paint red color. A for alligator, sky blue color. B for butterfly, light green color. C for cat, orange color. D for dog, yellow color. E for earth, red color. F for flowers, sky blue color. G for grapes, light green color. H for hand, orange color. I for ice cream, yellow color. J for joker, red color. K for kite, sky blue color. L for lemon, light green color. M for mango, orange color. N for nose, yellow color. O for onion, red color. P for peacock, sky blue color. Q for queen, light green color. R for rainbow, orange color. S for sun, yellow color. T for train, red color. U for umbrella, sky blue color. V for fan, light green color. W for watch, orange color. X. X for Xmas tree. Yellow color. Y. Y for YOYO. Red color. Z. Z for zebra. Let's learn. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y,